Then the statutory clearances, what they said that, we will not clear your bills if the statutory clearances are not taken, and you should not start the work on roof unless you have got the letter from the best. So team again had to, again see, division of work, placing responsibility, all these definitions could never be, planned that we could probably assign a team, to go to best and sit on their head. And finally what happened, we went to them, they said we are not aware, is permission really required? But they insisted, no, we want at least a no objection certificate, so that tomorrow they should not come and say that, okay, you need to do something. They may talk to you like that, but when our people go to do something and this thing, they may start demanding something. So better that you take NOC. So we went to the extent of, though it was not in their books and all, still they issued a no objection certificate. Structured delivery again became a problem because, the Bombay people, the cost was overrunning. So we had to search in Delhi, and the entire structure had to be sent from here to Bombay. And it so happened, this landed up, that was a Good Friday, the truck landed up there, and the solar systems don't attract the octroi duty. And the fellow sitting there, he had no information. So, again this problem came, what to do. The truck was, standing at the border of Maharashtra, and either you pay, let's say, it was not only the panel, but also structure, but also the panels. So all inclusive was coming to be a huge amount. If you pay the octroi, it's 5%. So this was again, somebody was deputed to work on the email and provide, took a laptop, showed to the Chungiwala, that fellow, see, this is on the, though it is not available in the book, but is there on the net from your government, site. Then finally agreed and then cleared. See, this is the kind of thing, which was a dynamic decision which we had to take, it was never expected. And lastly, what happened, everything was ready, and they said, the UPS, this system was to be connected to their UPS. So they said, if this company is owned by Holcim now, Swiss company. They said our data is accessed any point of time from anywhere in the world. So 24 hours before you have to inform for any shutdown, even if you do it for microseconds. Now again this problem came, we wanted, everything was ready, we wanted to go for testing, and they said we cannot give you the shutdown. Though they have two UPSs, it was to be connected only on one system. Still they said no, we cannot give this thing, even microseconds will disturb it. So again we had to get back to, of course, the MD, and MD, your batchmate, in fact, he was very helpful, and he gave this instruction, no, let us help out, because we have given a date and these people are ready to give it, and it is our internal problem, let us manage it. And he gave the shutdown. Of course, it was delayed by a day or so, but we got the shutdown, and then we could connect and test it. So with all kinds of these difficulties, we were able to, this is the system which was installed. This was done, you can see the date taken from camera. On 2nd itself the installation was completed. It was to be commissioned on 5th, but on 2nd the panels were laid down. And come to the next. This was, of course, you recognize him, Mr. Sumit Banerjee. Yes, he's the managing director of HCC. So we got it, inaugurated on 5th of April. This is the on 5th. This photograph taken on 5th of April. So next. This was in fact a team, some of the team with the HCC people which worked for this project. Value was small, but definitely we faced almost all kinds of macro projects.